Sometimes you might want to hide a sheet in Microsoft Excel, or perhaps you're missing a sheet that you know you didn't delete. In that case, it might just be hidden. And here's how you can unhide that. The easiest way for me is to go down and right-click on one of the sheets and just click Unhide. And that shows me the hidden sheets right here. And it tells me I can just hit the Control key or the Command key, select all of those, and now I can see them. They're visible, which can be quite a relief. There's one more way to do this. You can go up to the ribbon here, click on Home, and then go to where it says Cells in your ribbon here. Click Format, and if you go down, you can click Hide Unhide, and we want to unhide the sheet. Again, it shows us which ones we want to unhide. I'm going to hold Control key down, press all of those and say OK. And now I can see all of them again. There's one that says help, I'm lost. I forgot I put that in. So that's how you can hide and unhide these sheets in Microsoft Excel. If you want a more advanced approach to this, where you might write macros or use VBA, check out the end screen. There's some videos there. This is Dr. B. Thanks for watching.